Hi everyone, my name is Cassidy and I will be doing this video on the tool called Peergrade. Peergrade can be accessed through Androids, the iOS, Chromebooks. It is not available on any apps. You can't download it on your cell phone for it to be an app, but on your computer, you're able to download Peergrade as like an icon, and when you click the icon, it will send you directly to Peergrade. The tool Peergrade is free for the first 30 days. After 30 days, you have to sign up and become a member. And when you become a member, you have to pay for it. We'll click on the pricing here. So the trial lasts for 30 days. If you get the basic package, it's $2 per student per year. These are all of the features that it shows and it comes with. If you buy the Pro package, this is it to see everything. It's $5 per student per year. And now the Pro package has everything the basic does, but it also includes assignment and question ways, group to group feedback, categories and reverse categories, disable flagging, LMS integration, which is really awesome. It integrates Peergrade with popular learning management systems, virtual learning environments like Canvas, Bright, Space, Moodle, and others. And it also has a file size limit of 2 gigabytes per file, which is really big. So to become a member, you have to sign up and you have to pay. Also, Peergrade has many different sources and institutions. They actually have a ton of colleges, Ivy colleges that use Peergrade. It's a really popular site. This tool, to answer question number 3, this tool is used as a formative and summative assessment, and I can receive instant feedback. To learn a little bit about Peergrade, if you go to the homepage, they have a ton of different welcoming videos that you could see how it really works. It provides quality feedback and encourages critical thinking. Once the teacher creates an assignment and a rubric, the students can upload the assignment, do the assignment, and then post it. Once the students are done with the assignment, you can, as the teacher, I can set for it to peer grade through the class, and what that means is the system automatically disputes different work to students, and they have to peer grade it anonymously. And the feedback to the student, when the students take part, they learn by doing it, so they learn more of what they're doing. This is not just for students. Teachers can find what students are falling behind with, which students are doing great, what evaluation said it is not working. Peergrade uses proven statistical tools to ensure that everyone is evaluated fairly, even when students disagree. So if a student disagrees with another student's work, Peergrade will go through and check everything before it gets disputed to that other student as well as the teacher. And this tool is intuitive and encouraging and also very, very engaging. To answer number 4, I would apply the use of this tool to collect evidence of learning in connection to my learning objectives I developed I would post my assignment, which is for the students to create a storybook and create an alternate, they would create an alternate ending and use Story Jumper to create it. And once they created it, I would want them to post the link to their Story Jumper on Peergrade. And once everyone posted it, it would dispute to different students, and each student would look at their peers' work, read their book or listen to their book, and then give feedback and what they think about it. I would also have them write the new vocabulary words they found during it. I think this tool could be really, really helpful with a lot of grades. I think it's mostly meant for older grades to give like really, really deep, thoughtful feedback. But I think as a second grade class, you can try with them to see how well this would work. This is a brand new tool to me. I spent a lot of time going through it. I think it has great features. It has a ton of resources for teachers, for students. It has a huge library. The Help Center is really, really helpful. I definitely recommend this, and I hope to use this in my future classroom as well as during student teaching. To wrap up this video, I will be trying to use this semester, and I hope everyone else liked it. Thank you.